Dubai was bid with $219 billion US. What am I saying? Omodi $219 billion in this is a second na in so to anaba bia a choko no. Our courses akwesa water flow basa sab water flow no dey see ho say wama second ababe Dubai no. Look at how many interchanges are on course to be built in Ghana. MPP Babe see 5 interchanges.
Nobody is talking about that. Nobody is
talking about it.
Do you know that? Whatever the government is doing, nobody is talking about it on social media.
The communication is weak. The communication team is weak. Yeah. Look at what now the people make us some to the whole airport now. Mahama Kosi or Fanny Day. One group see what's on a whole airport. Cohesive almost transforming it into a better airport. But NDC are using it for propaganda. Someone almost
do you know something? You know something? Because of whole airport and Kumasi airport, now the bro have Doma King also is now fighting against a Kufuor to come and bid also airport.
Maybe Ghana form will feel that man, okay, that man or NDC since then, and yet he's an NDC man. I have some videos. I think that will be going to. I will try to get to FedEx and participate with his programs. I have some videos of that man years back when he was campaigning for NDC. So now he has put off the NDC shirt. He's in connection with the Mahama, and they're trying to capture the mindset of the Doma people so that he will win all the seat in Doma in the next election. Strategy. Tricks and strategy.
But
we all know this.
Me about Francisca say me catchy. Me blow for the same they will say I don't know. Okay, Umbasa Ghana for it, the American. Doma here no. Unim say was soon a Kufuor fidie or soon MPP for fidie. But many more so. Ediantina make us obeso achieve we say. So met me airport wa voter region for bia Kumasi a omu me bi or show me so maybe mo. So we met me anya na tell so the gina so mo mato about ya MPP. But MPP for any moments.
Brother, Mameka Semunchlokum, Sunyani Airport is almost at its complete. Mameka Tree, Sunyani Airport, no more yes, here we until Nunya Nasem, the number person come on to once and say, man, no a NDC ni person, ain't no or the Osunsum Fidie said a beya or betiniachi, Doma 4, and a bonum for drink, say, Akufuor dunya bampa.
Yes,
yes. Kasa NDC ni mapa
obesana na promise bibi na agwantimi anya na ode gina so sori etia om
brother mesi ayi Sunyani airport na nya de bia enye assistant to yi Sunyani airport na juma guso ekoso Sunyani airport ye wo Sunyani airport wo ho amanfo ye ho adwuma dia omu enche ombetimi awie. But nipa sa ohene no NDC ni bi ono no person fa na nimu nsie na onye den onye campaign ma NDC wodoma area ne bono ahafo area di akwede se one Mahama ye wo contact enti sa sika na okọ chiche ma amanfo ne na asefo no nyina no nyina yi sika ye NDC for na the sponsor no underground when we say you know we are used to the chief. It's the chief who can't say Yanjina Chinje. Sorry, Obahene can't say we all support. Entre NDC for atomai or your money padada into your modisika feeding on underground. To say that money face the country for now. So that we to capture the mindset of the people in the Doma area. A fact. Do you understand what I mean? Messi a fat. When the video show why he was endorsing John Mahama in video campaigns together with John Mahama. You don't know NDC need before Kora, but I dare Yana say, well, so Doma pa now what the MPP government has done in Doma. na wote man when nsem o kan wo Facebook so a wo hu
yeah
ane ya
yeah
ware ho mam so
yeah
babia me man so babia me fi babia me fi wo hu ye full supporters of MPP. You understand what I mean? I think I reason and say me party be a chair, my party achi. Say na MPP for year I can change my mind and search for a different place to go. But be me free this MPP for pa. Esu ko ekroma. The omaye ne doma no ho. Omonye half okura we ekrom. So udru doma na doma ka kwan ebi akwan ye ko nkurasi ba
bina. And no one sound am tia making.
Omo ne ka kwan bi ko nkura nkete bi ye artifact be so dru domain na odo nsa be hye wanum because of MC na owo ho no oni MPs na omo area no omo nyina combine together with the help of Akufo-Addo Abai odru domain odo nsa be hye wanum. So I wonder why say or no after all this civil development they cause ne mansini mu a osanso still have that hatred e wonimu. So the back tia doma or the tia Akufo-Addo ni nyina ne say ono no ye NDC ni the man is an NDC man but the can say
Obi say they said doma hene no man loans NDC fast that man ska amani man loans so ba ya ba ono ba ko ma NDC ya wona na brantie bi David, who said David Omudi Atama, Yawa from Taichi, and Penfo Taichi, and I know Taichi, as our Yenno. And yes, I also know about Bobody. I said David, Frema, Tinigonas, Yentie.
Pacho, almost say freedom factors no more from brother, me to be honest, as a reasonable person, better freedom factors shas, you know. Me myself, I wanted to be part of it because now I was thinking, say, Bia, the DROG was to support the government, saying Kebit me actually government now doing cinema binuma and the enko yen and canania bao. But Mr. D and me who say NDC, pro NDC, what them call people. Omunya, they are all paid by NDC. And I don't feel to work for NDC because NDC is disgrace. So they are American. Me person me kwase me so me nkra asem. O se me sha ase no. Me catch us says doma hene no oye nipa bi a NDC for amani sika uti de America no ya mani sika say onfanto doma fo na adwene say de be ya omo ebetumi adi nkunim ewo ho in the next election. So brother uti de me pese tie fo ntie ne yie pa enti no da money na ma no edema citizens no ne ma me fo ne awofo na ewo ho no. It said they indirectly what vote for NDC in the next coming election. So, until why I say oh gada, but MPP should wake up. MPP, no, I say they have to wake up. They have to, if even they have to pay people to be on social media and advocate. And I say, a showcase of the project. Because yes, sir, NDC for the propaganda, best power, brown, best the Ghana Konechi. Because NDC for Muntimin. But make us about there is history about Ghana, but I am not so now think grand or see a friend Dr. Ray or Kasa and a Tihanian Sassanian Sassam Kwasiasem Nawoka. Bra JJ Lawrence by president to Ghana.